Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create a custom email signature. Now, this is not always necessary, but is a great thing to incorporate, especially in a professional setting, whether it's adding accolades or titles, degrees of education underneath your name, or even a company logo for self-branding. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. Using your preferred email provider, in this case I am using Gmail, try establishing an automatic custom email signature. This way, every time you create a message from your desktop or laptop computer, the signature and other relevant information will appear once you begin composing your email. To initiate this feature, navigate to your email settings. This is most commonly found under Advanced Settings. Now locate the General tab and scroll until you find the signature option. Here you can add your name, company logo, headshot, and more. Most email providers also allow options for embedding hyperlink and clickable icons. To do this in Gmail, select Insert Image, locate the image you want to use, and click Insert. Now highlight that image, select the link button, and add the URL you wish to direct to. Finally, click Save Changes. Now, when I compose and send an email, the receiver can click this logo to be transported to the chosen destination. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you learned something new that will only benefit you along your digital journey. Again, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.